Alright, we're at St. Mary's Catholic Church in San Antonio, Texas. Look at this cathedral. It is amazing. But look what I found here. It's a Matot elevator. Anthony020501 has filmed this. And this is my very first home elevator. This is amazing. With an accordion gate. Look at this beauty. This is awesome. These are your fixtures. There's your ADA compliant phone. Alright, let's close this. You can pause to read that. These are your fixtures. Alright, let's go on to B. B's locked. Let's go on 1. This is a nice elevator. This goes out into the street. This gate is not heavy on this side. Oh my gosh, look at this gap. Now this is a dangerous hazard. Look how big this gap is. Somebody could easily fit between the hoistway door and the accordion gate. This is just something. But this goes out into the street. It's your call button. It buzzes. See, this is strange. Look at this. I don't get why they have this big gap between the main door and the accordion gate. Somebody could easily get stuck and fall into the elevator shaft. Alright, let's shut this. And we're going to take it up to 2. Alright, let's get one last view of these fixtures. I guess we'll take it for one more ride. I never ran on this up. These wall pack of fixtures are like the one I saw on that freight elevator at Sears at San Jacinto Mall. And according to the records, it's a White Evans freight elevator. This is my second wall pack of fixtures I've ever found. Alright, let's ride. Here we go. This is single speed driven. Alright, let's take it up. We'll end it there. You have to wait till it time out till it stops. Alright, let's open the door. Gonna switch out the light. Now, as a common courtesy, when you're done, always close the door. There it goes. And that's it.